Concrete patio discoloration from acid rain or chemicals can totally kill your outdoor vibe, but fixing it is easier than you think. So, first off, you want to clean that patio right away, because letting acid rain or chemicals sit there will mess up the color big time. Use a mild detergent mixed with water and scrub gently with a stiff brush. Nothing too harsh, or you'll make it worse. Rinse with clean water and let it dry completely before doing anything else. After cleaning, seal the surface with a good concrete sealer to protect it from future damage. This basically creates a shield against stains and discoloration. Make sure you pick a sealer that's made for outdoor patios and follow the instructions carefully, applying it evenly. Don't forget to reapply the sealer every couple of years, especially if your patio faces a lot of rain or sun. Also, try to avoid using harsh chemicals or acidic cleaners on your patio because they can strip the sealer and cause new discoloration. Lastly, regular maintenance like sweeping dirt and debris away helps keep your patio looking fresh. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping the cleaning step before sealing, which means the stains stay trapped under the sealer and keep showing up. Fix that by always cleaning thoroughly first. Another common issue is using the wrong type of sealer, like indoor sealers that don't stand up to weather. Always get a sealer designed for outdoor concrete. The third mistake is not reapplying the sealer over time. Remember, it wears off with weather and foot traffic, so keeping up with sealing every few years saves you from expensive repairs later. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with concrete patios and sealing jobs. Contractors love it too, since it helps them find steady work from people who need real pros for their home projects.